Yo, what is good, guys? Today's trade recap for the 28th of April. And I took one trade today. It was a loss down about 280, 290. Um, yeah, Loki was on. Like, I'm happy with the loss. Let's just say that. The only thing that was bad about the trade was the risk to reward was a bit bad, and it was a no news Monday. Other than that, happy with the trade, but let's just get into the day. So obviously our all-time highs so on the daily, on the high time frame when we're at all-time highs, I'm just expecting bullish price action, unless proven otherwise. So unless there's like a 4-hour CISD sign big, then I'll be more inclined to be bearish, or if there's like equal lows or something. But yeah, other than that, I'm mostly bullish. So going into the day, oh shit, wait, what? Fucking hell. I don't know why it just did that. Okay, 9:30, this is 9:30. So, what I wanted to see was, so I saw that um, London low was taken, London high is still intact. And then I marked out these lows as well, because we made relatively equal lows with them. These lows as well, so I want to see them sweep and then reversal up. But so yeah, sweep that and then reverse up. So zoom in a bit. So on the 5 minute ES, but ES, keep in mind we have S&T with ES. ES didn't take London low. So off market open, we actually have a big move down. We sweep out this low and then put an SMT. I was actually like looking to take a long here if we got on a CISD and an inverse, and if we inverse this gap. If that would have happened, I would have longed there, but it didn't close bullish. So I waited, and then saw us. I was like, alright, let's see what happens when we take this low, we take that low, and then have a very oh shit, never mind. We actually closed over it. I thought, because yeah, I didn't even know what I thought, but yeah, basically then we have a reaction like that, and I was like, shit, alright, this looks good. And then we had an SMT as well, so oh yeah, and then so we had this SMT. So I was like, alright, we tapped into a higher time frame gap. This is hourly, 4 hour. Oh, that not a 4 hours, an hourly. So we tapped into the hourly gap. Um, all the lows swept out, as you can see. Um, and then we started getting good displacement, and then I waited for the 50-minute to close. I wanted to see how it closed. 1 minute. So as soon as it closed, bang, I entered there. Okay, no, I entered a bit early, to be fair. I entered like here. Yeah, like here. My stop was here. Because why was it here? Because if we're truly bullish, this should be the breakaway gap, and this should be the only fair value gap that we could retrace into. But honestly, after we saw this retrace, it should have pumped. The fact that we didn't should have been like big red warning signs saying like, and we start stalling, especially after such an aggressive move. Start stalling. We actually put in equal highs here as well, so I really thought this trade would play out and at least here, and then I'd go break even. Like at least sweep these equal highs out, but didn't end up happening. Just got chopped about for ages and then stopped out. So yeah, bang, and we actually respect this gap and then pretty clean long like that, but it didn't even deliver. and sweep out this high. So yeah, that is the trade. That is the trade. Yeah, 293 as you can see. This is I took my $500 payout from this account, so yeah, let me just charts and data. Show executions. You know, I'm always transparent, so yeah, bought it. This candle, yeah, basically that is it. Thanks for watching and good luck and good trading to everyone. See you.